Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Angular CLI. So, Angular CLI basically stands for Angular Command Line Interface. And if you want to work on Angular project, then you must install Angular CLI on your systems. But you must be familiar with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to work on Angular project. So before installing Angular CLI, you have to install Node.js, which is used to run a JavaScript program. So first of all, we'll install the Node.js on our system. Then we can only install Angular CLI. So first of all, just search Node.js. You have to search this first, and after this, just go to the first link, Node.js. Now you can download the current version or latest version, or you can download the LTS, which is recommended for most users. So I'm going to click on the this version because it is recommended. So it's better to install this version. It can have some bugs, or that is why this site or official site is not recommending this version. So it is taking a while. Now, once you download this file, now you have to run this file on your system. So basically, Node.js is a server technology that lets you run JavaScript and develop server-side web pages. So if you have installed already, then you can skip this step. And if you have already installed, so now we'll have to please wait while the setup wizard prepare to guide you through the. So we have to wait a little bit here. So it is now checking the space requirement. So now you have to click on this next button. Now accept the license, and now click on next again. Now if you want to change the path, you can change here, or you can skip this part and just click on next. Now you have to click on next, and now you can click on next without checking that option. Now you can click on install button. Now it will install the node.js on your system. So it is a server technology that lets you run the JavaScript and develop the server side of web pages. And I'm repeating again, if you have installed node.js already, you can skip this part, or you can skip this installation. So I can cancel this part because I have already installed that. So if you want to cancel, you can click on yes. Rollbacking. Now you can click on finish. Since I have already installed, that's why it is saying me. But if you haven't installed the node.js, then it won't interrupt you, and it will make your node.js successfully installed on your system. Now once you install this, now you have to test your installations. So you have to go to command prompt and open it, and now you have to type node hyphen v to see the version, and you can see its latest version is 16.16.0. So I have installed a way back. So now what you need to do, you have to type following command to install Angular CLI. So Angular CLI comes in this Node.js already. So you just need to type the following command, and that is, I'll give you the command in the description as well. So don't worry about that. Just type npm and then install, and then hyphen g, and then at the rate Angular, and then slash forward slash and CLI. So now you have to enter. So it is showing me. Now you can see the progress. So this is fetching the manifest, and the status will be shown here, and you can see it this, and you can see that it is downloading all the packages. So now you can see everything has the Angular CLI has been installed on our system, and it is also giving me the message that the new version of npm available. Also, you can install it. You just need to run this following command too. So I can run this following command to update my npm as well. Let's do that and just enter. So before doing this, let's confirm or test the installation of Angular CLI. So you just need to run the following command to check uh, whether the Angular CLI has been installed or not. Just type ng and double hyphen and then version. Oh shit! I just close the window. Let me type the command again. Mm. You need to specify the command before using. So guys, we have to run this following command: npm ng then hyphen v to verify if the Angular is installed or not. So when I see the documentation of this, so I found that I have to use ng version instead of hyphen. So if I use version with only version, I just need to type version without hyphen. Let's see the whether it will show the version or not. So usually we use the hyphen, but it does not work in Angular. So would you like to share the user data with this project? No, I don't want. So now you can see it is showing me the version 15.0.4, the node version, npm version. It also showing me. So it is actually showing me most or many things here. So this is our Angular CLI. That's how you can. But in the documentation, I've seen some blocks here, and it is showing me with the hyphen to check the version. But actually, it works without hyphen. So you just need to be careful about that. So yeah, guys, that's how you can do it, and I hope you like it. If you want more like videos, please subscribe to our channel. Karam, like the video. Till then, bye.